Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into IRIS Payroll account. So if you also want to log into IRIS Payroll account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and paste this link. You can see the link over here. Now press enter. Or you can also click on the search bar and type in IRIS Payroll login, press enter. Now here you'll be able to find the website for IRIS login. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of website. Here you'll be able to find several login portal. You can click on the login option that is under the first option. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can also sign up to your account. Simply click on the sign up option that you can see right over here, and after that you'll be able to create an account for yourself. If you already have an account, click on this box. Now provide your email address. Make sure to provide the valid email address. After that, click on the next option that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be asked to enter your password. All you have to do is enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, proceed to reset your password. After you provide the correct password, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into IRIS Payroll account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.